How to send videos from camera roll as snaps on Snapchat. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily send videos from your camera roll as snaps. First of all, you will have to open your Snapchat, and as you can see, if you try to send a video from your camera roll, then it will be sent as a chat, not a snap. So in order to send it as a snap, first you will have to take a short on your screen. So once your video is taken, you can see this plus icon right here besides on your snap. So just click on it. You will see something like this that says import media right here. So just click on it to import a media of your choice. So here is a video that I have added right here. So you can tap on preview and then tap on the edit button right here. So you just select the clip that you just recorded and then you can delete it. So you can delete the clip that you have just recorded and tap on the clip that you have just imported and make sure it's all good. And once you do that, tap on OK and on preview and then send to. You can send it to anyone you want, so just tap on the person that you want to send this to and tap on send. Once you send this, it will be sent as a snap, not a chat. So as you can see right here, this purple thing just showed up. That means it has been sent as a snap and not a chat. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.